Hello everyone, welcome to the 14th and the final lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures, and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this is the 14th and the final lesson in this entire PMP exam course that you are watching on YouTube. And in this lecture, we'll be talking about the rewards of being a project manager. Okay? Why do people aspire to be a project manager? What are the career options when you are a project manager? And things like what could be the competitive advantage to you as a professional when you are going into the track of becoming a project manager. Okay, so we'll do all those discussions here in this video. Okay, so let's get the discussion started. So as the final video lecture of this course, let me share my opinion on why being a project manager is so rewarding. There are a lot of career options out there which has its own pros and cons, right? But what is that secret sauce of being a project manager that can motivate you to get the PMP certification and expand your career in project management? What is so special about leading a project? So what are the perks of being a project manager? Number one, being a project manager gives you a profound sense of creation, guys. This is something which motivates me a lot. By being a project manager, you can create something tangible and impactful which can really change the lives of people. When I was a PM in the FMCG industry, I installed packing lines for razors, shampoo bottling, sachet packing, etc. Now, those manufacturing lines were not there before me, right? Me and my team installed them as a part of our project, and they, till date, generate products that impacts millions of customers around the world, even when I have moved out of the company and moved on with my own career, right? So that's how you leave a legacy by being a project manager. Secondly, by being a PM, you can be involved in projects that impact customers directly, and you can really see the impact, As a part of my FMCG career, I installed a production line for manufacturing a new hair care product. And one day, I saw a lady in my local store buying the same product from the shelf. And when I asked her that why she chose the product over the others, she mentioned that she loved the packaging and the quality the product delivers. Now that was like so rewarding to me. Next, building networks. As a project manager, you get a lot of opportunity to build networks not only within your country but also around the world, right? Take my relocation to UK from India as an example. It's only because of the networks I had built in India as part of my projects which helped me to explore opportunities outside India. Very few career options provide you that. Number 4, developing people. As a part of my PMP with Ray initiative over YouTube and LinkedIn, I have now helped over 1,000 aspirants to accelerate their careers through project management certifications such as PMP and CAPM. By being a project manager, nothing can be more humbling to see that you are contributing to the community of project managers to help them become better project managers. And finally, being a PM can provide you opportunity to explore various industries as a part of your work and travel across the world. In my last 10 years of career as a project manager, I have been able to explore 3 industries, that's FMCG, utility and healthcare, and also I have got the opportunity to travel over 10 countries across the globe. And these are some pictures of myself at different project management events across different countries. Now I am saying this not to brag about myself or to make you feel that, hey, come look, I am living the life of a globetrotter, right? I am showing this to you to motivate you and to help you think about the ocean of opportunities project management could bring to you across the globe if you are good at your job. So with that, we come to an end of this 14 lesson course for the PMP exam basics. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you have found this course helpful, okay? Also, if you have liked my teaching style, if you have liked these lectures, please go ahead and check out the entire course on Udemy. The link will be in the description section. Thank you for watching and I wish you all the best for your exam preparation. Bye-bye and have a nice day.